Hi, John. I'm putting together this little demonstration for you to show you um, how we can use some ed tech to make your slideshow presentations a little bit more interactive. Right now, I'm using a service called Screencast-O-Matic, which basically is just a screen share site that allows you to put some visual and some audio on with your slides. So I have a Chem 101 slideshow up here, and using this, you could use this to narrate with the camera or not. You can narrate through your slides. So atomic particles, protons are positive, neutrons are neutral, electrons are negative. They're all found in the atom's nucleus, and they're found in the electron cloud around the nucleus. Now, you have a little diagram here of an electron cloud or an atom. You could then use another tool called H5P to pepper in some interactive content, such as perhaps a picture of an electron cloud under a microscope. Little facts here you can narrate through, and here we have a little slide on Dr. Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Here you can use H5P, and you can incorporate a YouTube video of the actual gold foil experiment being conducted. These little interactive hits gives another layer of content to your students, and can really be helpful in the long run. All right.